It's Earth Month, and I think spring is on its way too. So what better time to do a cleanse than now? A closet cleanse, that is. Went through my closet with brand new eyes, with what I wanted and what I didn't. And I'm on my way downtown to donate. Can you guess which thrift store I'm going to?
What time do you close?
6 o'clock on Sundays and 7 on the rest of the days.
On Sundays and Sundays. And what time do you open?
10 o'clock.
10.
I'm almost done for you.
No worries. Thank you.
Great.
Entered with 3 bags in a suitcase, leaving with only 1. It's really unfortunate that thrift stores don't take all donations, but that's a different video for a different time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below. Have you done your spring cleaning yet? What's your favorite thrift store to donate to? Let a sister know.